Hey, creative minds! Welcome back to our art corner. Today, we're diving into a joyful journey of drawing and coloring a scooter. I'm Raisha, and this is Fun Scooter Drawing and Coloring Adventure. Grab your art supplies, and let's bring this scooter to life with vibrant colors. Alright, let's start by outlining the basic structure of our scooter. Draw the wheels, handlebars, and the sleek body. Feel free to add your unique touch, this scooter is your canvas. Now, let's make our scooter stand out. Add exciting details like funky patterns, cool designs, or maybe some personalized decals. This is where your imagination takes the lead. Get ready for a color explosion. Choose your favorite colors and start filling in the scooter. Whether it's a classic color scheme or a rainbow explosion, let your creativity run wild. It's time to personalize your scooter further. Add your initials, favorite quotes, or anything that represents you. This scooter is not just a drawing, it's an extension of your personality. Add those final touches, step back, and admire your masterpiece. Let's showcase our colorful scooter to the world. Share your creations in the comments below. I can't wait to see your unique twists. That's a wrap for today's fun scooter drawing and coloring adventure. If you enjoyed this creative journey, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more artistic escapades, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, keep creating and keep coloring.